Hello, friends. Good day to you all in your respective places across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is Lasogenic Biz Talk. As you all know that in this channel, I review online investment platform and I give you updates on how to make money for yourself online, most especially in the world of cryptocurrency, forex, and the likes. Right here on my screen is the Do Not app, the Don't app mining app. You can see that this is another crypto project that's worth exploring. Many are into this right now, and I too I would like you to also participate in this crypto project. Not because I just wanted to do it, but because I want you to be financially free and secured in this year. So therefore, before I go fully in this video, if you are joining me for the first time or you are yet to follow me or subscribe to this channel, please and please kindly do that right now, right away, so that you are not going to miss out on my subsequent video like this. Just click on the subscription button or just follow me right away if you're on TikTok, so that you will be continually aware whenever I upload a new educational video like this. And if you have any comments, you have any question to ask me, maybe a particular something is not very clear to you, or you want to share, give me more insight on it, just let me know through the comment section of this video, and I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Okay, back to the business of the day. As you can see on my screen, this is Do Not Mining app is another crypto project that is based on the Telegram app. So what you just need to do is to go straight, just swipe to my description box, to the description box of this video, so that you can get the registration link. Just click on the link and it will take you down. It will take you down to the Telegram app where you can start mining this token. So there are some tasks that you can do, and this one is not about tapping app. So you can earn do not coin, and you can also earn ton token. You can also earn ton with this particular app. So, and there are some other tasks for you to do to earn more of this. So just come down here. So these are the daily tasks. Do not combo. Find out daily combo and earn up to 1,000 do not token. Give your boost to do not channel. Invite one new friend. Petrol duty. Join do not community. Let me start with this. Join do not community and you are going to be given 250 don't coin. So we have several of them these days, and I will just advise you to continually do them. Don't be weary, don't be discouraged due to the fact that some crypto projects that launched in the past, they didn't meet up to expectation, or they resort to dust after being launched. It does not matter. So what matters most is your durability, is your determination that you will be financially freed and secured. And that is what I want you to focus on in this year. So just keep on doing them, because it requires nothing much from you than your time, your data, and your phone. So actually there are some of them whereby it requires you to make a turn transaction. Actually, you can do that, but as for me, I'm not very sure if I'm going to do that. You can do that, you can just take that risk, because if you do any turn transaction, it will boost whatever you be having there, and it will give you more chance to earn more in all these crypto projects. But if you don't have the financial capability to do that, then just keep on doing the daily task and you are going to make more from it. So my friends over there, don't miss this wonderful opportunity. This is a new year, and this is another way whereby you can make money in the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me, and also share this video with your friends and family. If truly it adds value to you, if truly you are blessed with it, if truly what I'm saying really makes sense to you. Okay, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now. I love you all.